Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete a profile on Netflix. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account on my PC. You can do this on the phone as well. The process is very similar. And yeah, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into your manage profile settings, or rather you're going to go actually into your account settings, and from there you're going to go and click manage profiles. From here, you're going to click on the profile you want to delete, go all the way down and click delete profile. Once you've done that, then just select the profile you want. For example, this one, go all the way down, click delete profile again, and as you can see, that profile is now gone. What you can also do is delete your account entirely by going into account, clicking on manage membership, and then clicking cancel membership and selecting finish cancellation. This is how you delete your account, pretty much, because once you cancel your membership, you have up to 10 months to restart your membership or your account will be fully deleted. So all you have to do is wait 10 months and your account will be fully deleted, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.